Welcome to our first Memories on the Move, how to use video. Okay, so once you've downloaded your app from the App Store, it will appear on your iPad screen. So just find the Memories on the Move icon and just tap on that. This will bring up a welcome screen. So now the app is open, it'll bring you into the Create screen. It tells you here to click on the layout icon to start your project. So you just click on the layout icon. There's a selection of postcard sizes here from 5x7 inch, 6x4 inch, 6x6 and 4x4. We'll select 6x4 inch for this demonstration. I'll explain some of the menu icons here on the home screen. So we've got a backgrounds icon, and there's a selection of backgrounds in here that you can use for your postcards, and select a background that you'd like to use. So for this example we might use this. The next icon in the menu is the photo icon. Tap on there. This will give you a selection of photos that you can use in your postcard, and you can also use your own photos from your camera roll on your iPad. For this example, we might choose the pelican. It will automatically drop it onto your postcard. From here, once it's on your postcard and it's selected, you can see it's selected by the darker line around the outside. You can then use your fingers and resize. You can rotate the image and move it wherever you'd like to position it on your postcard. You'll also notice some icons along the top here. This one is for flipping your photo or image, cropping, duplicate, the layer order, so you can adjust the layers up and down, and the trash icon. Okay, the next menu down is the sticker menu. These are all digital clip art images that you can use in your postcard. Just scroll through to pick the ones you'd like to use. It automatically pops up onto your postcard. Okay, the next icon is the frames icon. Tap on there. This will bring up a selection of frames that you can use around your postcard. For this example, we'll use the white border. So now, once it's on your page, you can change how you'd like it to look. I want to use it as a frame around the photo, so I can roughly position it there, then adjust my layer order so it goes to the back, and then you can just move it around where you like it. The next icon in our menu is the text icon. Tap that. Here you'll find a list of fonts which you can select by scrolling down the list. Click on one to select. OK. You can then select the box, type in the text that you'd like to use, hit return, done, and your text appears on your postcard. Now you can also go back in and edit the text, so we can double click on that text. You can then go and change the alignment of the text, which is left alignment, center and right alignment, which is chopped off on the bottom of the video here. Font size, color, you can change the color of the text. You can also edit in here a web value for a color, so you can, there's various sites on the internet you can search for web colours. You can then put the number in here if you would like a specific colour for your postcard. Then you just click done and done, and your text is now changed to the white. Now I think I might go back and add another sticker. So I'd like to add a frame. So I'll find a frame. This one is a faded frame, which you can sit over an image and the image will show through underneath. Now the next icon in the menu is called the Scribbles icon. This is where you can add scribble text to your postcard. Start with a colour. Click on the colour box and select a colour you like. You can select from the colours here on the screen, or you can again add a colour value in the top here. I'll select this blue colour. Done. Then it's just a matter of using your finger or a stylus and just write directly onto the notepad. These are the options here. This is an eraser. You've got a trash icon, close icon, and a go icon, I like to call it. That then brings your text onto the postcard, and then you can change the size by dragging your fingers around. You can rotate the text. You can also change the text by double clicking on the postcard and it'll bring back the text box. Okay, we'll close that. You'll notice some other buttons around the screen as well. Up the top you have an undo and redo button. You've got a new postcard icon which you can select to clear your page. Over this side is your save it, share it icon. Click on camera roll to save the postcard to your iPad. Note that when you do save it to your iPad, it flattens the postcard so the text is no longer editable. It will give you a message before you save it. You can mail your postcard, you can Facebook, and you can Twitter the postcard as well. Now this is the great part. This is called the location stamp. So when you're travelling around and you'd like to make a note on your postcard where you are, it's just a matter of tapping the icon. The iPad will ask you to get your location, so we'll say get automatically. Sometimes it takes a little while to come up. Once it's come up, you can then click on it or tap on it, and you can resize your location stamp and put it wherever you like on your postcard. You'll notice down here there's a camera icon. Tap on the camera. This will give you two options. You can use your camera on your iPad to take a photo and use in your postcard, or you can take a photo from your saved camera roll on your iPad. Now if we click on the Places to See icon, this will bring up Memories on the Move website. So this links to our Places to See page on our website. We're compiling a list of must-see places in Australia that we visited on our travels, so we can share them with other fellow travellers. And if you are a business and would like to advertise on our app or on our website, please contact us on our contact page on the website. There's also another icon at the top here called Memory Movers. This page we'd like to grow into a large collection of favourite travel spots around Australia that fellow travellers have discovered along their journeys. So if you have any favourite holiday spots, a favourite cafe perhaps, accommodation, things or places to see, just email us your photo and information and we'll start putting it onto our list. Well, I hope that's covered everything. Please contact us if you have any further questions. Other than that, keep an eye out this year for some new graphics that we will be updating on our app, and happy travelling.